Hello student, here we are going to discuss briefly the basic principle involved in alternative system of medicine. Alternative system of medicines are the system of medicine which are practiced as alternative to main medicinal systems, that is allopathy. In India, there are four systems of medicines practiced that are Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and homeopathy. Ayurveda and Siddha system of medicines are practiced in India from ancient time. Both the system of medicines are based upon the similar principles. Ayurveda practiced in central and northern part of India, while Siddha system of medicine are practiced in southern part of India, that is Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It is deeply rooted in Dravidian culture. Both the system of medicines are based on the three principle, that is five element theory or Panchamahabhuta theory, Tridosha theory, Sapta Dhatu theory. In undiseased condition or in healthy human, all these five elements, Tridosha or Sapta Dhatus, are present in a balanced form. Whenever there is a disbalance in between these dhatus, those doshas or elements lead to the disease condition. Another system of medicine we are going to discuss here, that is Unani system of medicine. It is originated from the Greece, is also known as Greece medicine or Arab medicine. It is based upon the two theories. One is Hippocratean theory of four humors and Pythagorean theory of four praximatives. So Hippocratic theory of four humors includes blood, phlegm, yellow bile and black bile, while the Pythagorean theory of four praximatives qualities involves hot and cold, moist and dry. According to Pythagorean, these proximities are being produced from the combination of elements, and these qualities, proximate qualities, in a combination responsible to produce the four humors. When these four humors are present in a balanced condition, then the person is remained to be undiseased. When there is a disbalance either in a proximities, elements or humors, result into the disease condition. And then last system of medicine we are going to discuss here, homeopathic system of medicine. This is a newest system of medicine developed in 18th century by a German physician, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. So he is by profession a medicinal practitioner. By its experience, he has encountered with such a experience and he developed a system of medicine, that is homeopathic system of medicine. Basic principle involved in homeopathic system of medicine as per the Samuel Hahnemann is law of similar, that is similibus curantium. That is, drug which can produce disease like symptoms in a normal patient can be used in the similar disease conditions. Later on, many philosophers and physicians have developed the different laws to justify or to rationalize the homeopathic system of medicine. For detail, you can refer our book, that is a textbook of pharmacognosy from Nirali publication. Thank you.